Hello everyone, welcome to Invest Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about 10 money mistakes you must never do. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Many individuals are angered when talking about money. Some individuals ponder about money without really doing anything about it. There are two types of people: those who succeed and those who fail. This video demonstrates how to avoid 10 common financial mistakes. It's more difficult to keep money than it is to get it. Inheritances, lotteries, and other fortunate breaks may make individuals wealthy, but they often lose all they have. Due to financial blunders, Diego Maradona, one of the world's best soccer players, almost lost all of his money. Financial mistakes may devastate anybody, regardless of their riches. 10 financial mistakes to avoid at all costs. Spending more than you earn is number 1. It's all too easy to fall into this trap, particularly when looking for a secure job for the first time after college. Buying a new car, moving to a new house, and flying first class are all appealing options, but they might put you in a financial plan. The majority of individuals believe that if they make more money, they should reward themselves. Instead, this money should be invested and utilized to purchase things that will help your wealth last longer. The primary motivation for individuals is to spend more than they can afford is to impress others. They spend because they have poor self-esteem and believe that they will not be successful in life until they have this pricey stuff. To minimize overspending, smart people create a budget and keep track of their costs. Number 2 is to put your faith in quick money programs. One of the most common ways to lose money is to try to be wealthy fast. Quick money, quick trouble, as the phrase goes, and participating in a money scam will almost always end in trouble. Ponzi schemes, pyramid schemes, and make money overnight scams are all get-rich-quick schemes that take and give it the scheme originator. You should act with care if you are looking for new business ideas and come across prospects that offer great benefits with little risk. For instance, if a career takes 20 years to earn $200,000 and a new firm claims that you can make the same amount in 1 year, proceed with caution. Spending money on illicit narcotics or tobacco products is number 3. While a few drugs in college may have seemed safe at the time, long-term usage may be harmful to both of your health and your pocketbook. When drug and cigarette users look at how much money they spend every week or year, it becomes clear that they make it difficult for themselves to achieve financial independence. A pack of cigarettes, for example, costs $9, and many smokers go through a pack every day. This equates to $63 a week and $3,276 per year, which is a significant sum to squander. Number 4. Money stored in a bank depreciates over time, owing to inflation. Money, on the other hand, appreciates in value when it is intelligently invested. That's how fundamental the mistake is. This is the 9th position. Financial risk aversion, as previously indicated, is a mistake. Individuals who are afraid of losing their money will keep it and accumulate it over time. You should only put money away in your savings account to meet your living expenses and an emergency fund. You should save for investment goals rather than save for the sake of saving. Without the planning, the money saved will be spent on items that aren't required. Number 5 is that For the vast majority of people, having a single source of income, usually a paycheck, is a way of life. Unfortunately, the majority of individuals assume that some jobs are safe. Indeed, nearly 21 million people in the United States lost their jobs in 2018, interrupting your financial flow if your job was your primary source of income. Imagine yourself like a tree when it comes to your earning potential. Is it true that a tree fruit is produced by only one branch? The answer is straightforward. No. Like they do, you should have a lot of flowers and fruits on your branches. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Number 6. For a number of reasons, many people depend heavily on credit cards. Credit cards may be a handy tool for making purchases for some individuals, but they can also be a one-way trip to hell for others. Although credit cards are required for many commercial transactions, overdependence on them may result in financial ruin. Purchases made with a credit card are more likely to be impulsive. It persuades you that you can buy everything and anything with a single swipe. Credit card users spend up to 100% more than cash users, according to a 2000 MIT study. Money is physically transferred while paying in cash. When paying with cash rather than credit, you will be far more aware of the financial implications of the transaction. Number 7. There is a dearth of sound investment methods. Investing may be difficult, and many individuals put their money in stocks based on friends' recommendations or a strong confidence that the stock prices of well-known companies will continue to rise. Nowadays, real estate seems to be an asset class in which everyone is interested. Many people believe that buying an investment property would secure their financial future. They expect regular rent payments as well as an increase in earnings. Number 8. You are short on cash for an emergency. Life does not always go according to plan, and you may need financial assistance of a whole. Your vehicle, for example, may break down. You could lose your job, or your washing machine could break down, because practically everything in life is expensive. Failing to set up an emergency fund is a costly financial error. However, according to a Federal Reserve report released in 2019, more than 40% of American adults would be unable to pay a $400 emergency with cash or a short-term credit card charge. Around 27% of those polled said they have to borrow or sell something to cover the $400, and 12% said that they wouldn't be able to pay it at all. You don't have to be one of these folks, thankfully. This sum of money may be saved in a short period of time. Simply request that your employer set up an automatic 15% withdrawal from your pay to go into an emergency savings account. But how can you tell whether you've saved enough money? Most financial experts advocate saving 6 months' worth of living costs, but a year's worth of expenditures is a good investment if you want to be extra careful. Keeping a single bank account is number 9. There are a number of reasons why having only one bank account is inconvenient. To begin with, having a single bank account makes it difficult to keep track of your money. If you just have one bank account, that's where you should put all your emergency cash and school savings. If you spend too much money of Spanish currency, you risk running out of money for unexpected expenses or tuition. As a result, you should have at least 3 bank accounts. One should be put aside for unexpected expenditures. another for day-to-day expenses, and the third, which I refer to as a play account, should be used for fun. Your play account is the money you set aside for fun or vacation, and you may build an untouchable account if you really want to go all out. This account may be used for savings, and you can contribute a percentage of your monthly salary to it. This makes it easier to save money and build wealth over time. Last but not the least, financial risk taking is at number 10. To grow money, one must take risk. According to the adage, no risk, no reward. Investing in an index fund, for example, is riskier than saving money, but your money will never grow and you will never get the 0.9% interest return that a normal saving account offers. Putting money in a market tracking index fund is riskier than putting it in a savings account. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.